Hello, I'm Samuel Griffin, one of the 4 regional sales managers for Logic, and I'm going to give you a quick product overview of our TS660, 680, 6 and 8 metre, 600 litre trailed sprayer range. Part of the flagship range at Logic, you've got your 600 litre rotational moulded tank, common feature across all our sprayer products, good quality tank, good UV protection, British made tank as well, vented tank lid, common to all our sprayer tanks, stops any pressure build-up. You've then got your secondary filter basket in there, catches any contaminants when you're filling from taps or freshwater sources. This setup, because of the wider booms, you need a higher pressure than what you can traditionally get with an electric pump from a buggy or an ATV. So we use on this machine a Honda GX engine powering a dedicated 25 litre a minute professional sprayer pump. This gives us good pressure across the range to allow us to operate up to the 8 metre boom with this system. Electric ball control valve on the front of the tank, easy to read pressure gauge when you're looking back from the cab of the towing vehicle, whether it be tractor, buggy, large ATV, 4x4 vehicle, and a control box which quite simply plenty of wiring to go to whatever the towing vehicle is, and allows you to mount the electric ball control valve in the cab near the operator, near the seat of the person operating this. And this has simply got open and close for the electric ball control valve. So in operation of this machine, you'll fire your Honda engine up, you'll set your pressures on the pressure gauge, and then you've got full control of the chemical going down the spray line to the booms from the switch, from the comfort of the operator's seat. Other unique features at the front end of this machine, you've got your 15 litre freshwater tank, hand wash down tank. So if you've got any contaminants, you can clean yourself down. D-mount jack, so you can leave this sat in the yard when it's not being used. When it is in operation, there's a park position on the side here, so you can put the jack up out of harm's way. You're not going to catch it on any target weeds, undergrowth, anything you're going over when you're in the field or in operation with the machine. Again, with all Logic products, we've got our 360-degree swivel hitch on here, so it allows the machine to articulate with the towing vehicle. Heavy duty galvanized chassis, gives it a really nice finish, easy to clean, wash down as with all our products. Flotation wheels and tyres on there, so it gives you good off-road performance, makes it a really nice package for amenity spraying, pre-emergence, perennial grassland weeds. With the boom system on here, as I said, you can either do a 6 or an 8 metre boom. It's a 3-section boom, so you've got section controls for centre and the outer 2 sections. You can also turn all the nozzles on and off individually. You've got a brake back facility on here, so if unfortunately you do hit any obstacles, fence lines, you've got full brake back on here like you would do with any professional sprayer. You've also got your boom skids, so if you're turning too quickly or you hit an undulation in the ground, it's going to hit on the skid to bounce back up. And the really nice feature with this boom is the pendulum boom system that's on the back frame, which allows this to be a self-leveling boom. You can comfortably drive on flat grassland fields, spraying perennial weeds with this, and turn at 12 to 13, 14k on the headlands if you need to, without the boom dipping out. On the rear, you've got the height adjustment on the winch. So very simply on here, a ratcheted winch, so you can do your height adjustment nice and easily. Multiple heights you can set this at to suit the correct height between the jets on the sprayer body and the target weeds that you're going into, or the crop you're going in to spray. 3-section ball valves on the back, as I've already mentioned, so you can turn off centre or outer sections. For example, if you've got a lot of footpaths to spray on your farm and you don't want to use one of the smaller sprayers because it means you're going in and out constantly, you can actually use the full width of this boom, but turn the outer sections off. You can spray your metre and a half, 2 metres, up to 3 metres in all-seed rape of footpath spraying, and have the capacity to do it on large acreage farms where you don't want to take big self-propelled sprayers out on the ground. You can do it with this package. It's a nice low ground pressure, easy to use, lightweight sprayer. Manual folding boom system with this sprayer, so it's very, very simple. Wind the winch up so that you've got it in the maximum height position. You can then fold your outer booms manually, and they just sit nicely in the cow horns in the park position on here. Safety point of view, you've got a pin system, so you can just lock it in with a pin. So if you're bouncing down the farm track or on the highways, it's nice and secure, it's locked off. Quick and easy to deploy. When you arrive at the field, it's just unfold your booms, set your boom height, and you can be away spraying within a minute. So if you need any further help or information about any of our sprayer range, specifications, boom whips, specialist applications, please do not hesitate to contact us here at Logic and speak to myself or any of my colleagues who'll be happy to help you.